Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about exporting a PowerPoint presentation from Google Slides. If this video helps, please follow my channel or like the video, and let's get started. So this works whether you're using a Mac or Windows. Basically, try to use the Chrome browser and open up the presentation in Google Slides. Go to File, Download, Microsoft PowerPoint pptx, and select that. So you'll be prompted to save the PowerPoint. So I'm just putting this in my downloads folder, save, and then I'm going to open it up just to make sure that it came through. Now, one thing with Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides, sometimes the formatting doesn't quite match up, but generally I've found going from Google Slides to PowerPoint, most things look about right. Going the other way, PowerPoint to Google Slides, not always, because PowerPoint, frankly, has better formatting. But I'm just taking a quick look here. Everything looks the same. Maybe they swapped out some fonts that are used in Google Slides but are not available in PowerPoint. But this is basically what I want. If I wanted to, I can edit this in PowerPoint, and that's what I was aiming to do. If this video helped you, please like or subscribe to the channel. For more information on the book that I wrote, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, 3rd edition, go to in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.